All right, so now we're on our 7th and final station of our lab stations. This one's called Passengers in a Boat because we're going to be looking at using a piece of aluminum foil to create a boat. And then we're going to put our aluminum foil boat into the water to see if it'll float. And then we're going to add marbles one at a time to see how much weight our boat can hold. All right, so here is our boat. We've used one piece of aluminum foil. We've folded up our edges. So let's see if our boat floats in the water. Okay, so our boat is floating in the water. We're going to now keep adding marbles to it until we can see how much weight this boat can hold. And notice that we're putting our marbles in different spots so that our weight is distributed across our boat. Now, the force that's pulling down on my boat is gravity. And as I continue to add mass to this boat, I'm increasing the force of gravity. Well, water, because we're not in air, we're not on a solid surface, we're in water, water is able to push back up on this boat using a force called buoyancy. Because water sticks to water and has surface tension, then things are able to float in water. We couldn't float this boat in oil because it wouldn't have buoyancy. But because we're floating it in water, we're able to see that buoyancy. Eventually, though, my boat got so heavy that the edges got down below the edge of the water, and as soon as we took on water instead of air in the middle of our boat, we see that our boat stopped floating. But we did a pretty good job with our boat, and we're going to sit here and look and see how many marbles our boat was able to hold. So we got 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. All right, so not bad for our boat.